Okay, so we have talked about a whole lot of things, and I know I have swamped you with so much information. But remember, the link to all of the files here in Dropbox is one set of resources for you. If you click on the Read This file, it will give you the exact information about what all these documents are and what each one of them represents. So you can read that and know what all of that information is. I have a lot more sample activities, some sample sketches, and more stuff, as well as this actual document. Also remember, under Help, there is so much help to be found right here in the software itself. So for example, let's say you say to yourself, I forgot which tool it is that lets you make circles. You can go to the Help Reference Center Tools, and it will take you directly to the help screen that clearly says the compass tool, use this tool to construct circles. And if you click on that, it will actually give you the step-by-step on how to construct a circle. And they even give you several different ways. They give you information on how to use the circle and how to measure the circle, and really just a ton of information. And this was all from the help screen. Same thing if you don't remember, now how did she create that perpendicular line? Where did that come from? Go to the reference center, go to menus, and you can look under all of these things allow you to construct. And then it gives you all of the different options and shows you how to do all of them. Okay. Also, don't forget the Getting Started PDF. Also, remember that there are more. I have these two videos or movies for you, but also remember under Help are some more welcome videos. And also here under the Teaching with Sketchpad takes you to a fantastic learning center with some welcome videos, the Getting Started tutorials, tips and tricks, and then more information on the lesson link, sample activities that you can go to. I'll just mention this one in the sample activities. For example, here under Geometry, you'll see that one of the sample activities is tessellations. This is one of the classics that they've had ever since version 3 first came out. And if you remember when I was showing you the menu earlier, I had another document that I could open up, another Sketchpad document. So it came actually from this. This activity I gave to one of my students back in 2004. And what was amazing about this particular student is that he was legally blind. And I gave him this activity to create a tessellation using Sketchpad. I gave it to him as a bonus geometry lab for our geometry and measurement class. And I wanted to show you his work. That's what he created. Isn't that just amazing? And this is all dynamic, right? So if I click on it and drag, you can see where all the pieces are and how the polygons that created this pattern started. And I just hit undo to put it back the way it was before I started messing with it. Okay, so just wanted to mention that. Also, under resources, let me tell you a little bit about what's here. So Key Curriculum has wonderful, wonderful webinars every Thursday for free. The link to register for those is here. I'll show you what that looks like. Right? Every Tuesday throughout the school year. It's not just on Sketchpad. It's on the Common Core, on Fathom, which is their statistical software, and also on Tinkerplots, which is sort of a cross between, in my head, a cross between Sketchpad and Fathom in terms of doing some algebra and some statistics, but in a little bit simpler format than the way Fathom works. Also, I have the link here to all of the previous webinars, so just because you've missed one, don't worry. You can come here and watch. So for example, here is another webinar that I happen to do, the dynamic geometry. And you can watch that right here from the screen. I'll tell you what it's like.
My name is Karen Greenhouse. I am the Director of Education Technology Outreach.
So that was Karen introducing me, and my webinar starts right after she finishes that. So this one that I'm doing a practice for is going to end up in this list as well once we go through it. The other thing I want to mention, I don't want you to feel like if you don't have this software that you can't get started, because this is a link for you to download a trial version to let you run 20-minute sessions. And the only thing that you can't do is print, save, copy, paste, those kinds of things. You have to have the real version for that. But it at least lets you get the feel of the software and know some of the amazing things that you can do with it. The Sketch Exchange link is here, which looks like this. This is where you can both share your sketches that you've created and also look up other people's sketches and use them in your classes. This is something that you want to register for, so you'll notice there's a login, create an account button. And the last thing I'm going to show, because I'm running out of time, is the resources and support, which is here, including all of this stuff. And so all of this is available to you: the online tutorials, the free activities, the modules that are in alignment with the Common Core, Sketch Exchange, the lesson link. There's other training that, other than the free webinars, Key Curriculum offers courses. And then finally, the app for the iPad, the Sketchpad Explorer app. Okay, so I just want to leave you with the fact that if you want to contact me for any more information, or if you want to know any more about what I do, I have that information here. And I just want to say thank you very much. I hope that you have learned everything you need to know to start using Sketchpad immediately and be motivated to learn even more about this amazing software. Thank you so much.